Windows Safe Mode. How to start Windows in safe mode. First of all, what is a safe mode? Many times, in order to remove a piece of spyware or troubleshooting and diagnostic purposes, you'll have to start Windows in safe mode. While in safe mode, only specific programs and files need to run the operating systems are loaded. Some functions, such as connecting to the internet, will not be active in safe mode, and a standard video driver will be loaded, causing a washed out look and possible changing in resolutions as well. However, because just the essential programs and files are loaded in safe mode, this allows us to remove some spyware, hardware, viruses such that cannot be removed in normal mode. Follow the instructions below and start safe mode for your specific versions of Windows. How to start Windows in a safe mode. Different versions have different methods. Let's check them out. Caution: if you're not completely sure you know what you are doing, leave this work to a professional, or you could damage your computer. Follow the steps as they are stated in the article without altering their order and methods. Windows XP. If Windows XP is the only operating system installed on your computer, boot into safe mode with these instructions. If the computer is running, shut down Windows and turn off the power. Wait 30 seconds and then turn the computer on. Start tapping F8 key. The Windows Advanced option menu appears. If you begin tapping F8 key too soon, some computers displays a keyboard error message. To resolve this, restart the computer and try again. Ensure that the safe mode option is selected. Press enter. The computer then begins to start in safe mode. When you are finished with all your troubleshootings, close all programs and restart the computer as you normally would. Windows XP System Configuration Utility Method. Close all open programs. Click on Start, Run and type msconfig in the box and click OK. The System Configuration Utility appears on the boot.ini tab. Check /safe boot option and then click OK and restart your computer when prompted. The computer restarts in safe mode. Perform the troubleshooting steps for which you are using the safe mode. When you are finished with that, go to the msconfig again. On the boot.ini, uncheck Safe Boot and click OK to restart your computer. Windows as a part of multi-boot operating system. Use this method only if you have multi operating systems installed on your computer. If the computer is running, shut down Windows and then turn the power off. Wait for 30 seconds and turn on the computer. When the bootloader menu appears, use the arrow key on the keyboard to select the versions of Windows that you want to. Press enter and then immediately begin tapping F8 key. The Windows Advanced option menu appears. Scroll to the end and select Safe Mode menu from the items and then press enter.